I've just received this package from Exotic Wood Zone. I've ordered 4 blocks of wood. They're approximately 5 by 5 by 2 inches thick, and I'm going to use in an upcoming project, and I'll have a video on that next. What I'm interested in primarily is to see how closely this wood matches what the picture is on the website. So I'm going to cut this open and see what we've got. Okay, I'm going to cut the shipping label off here first. Now what's in this box, what I've ordered is black limba, Bubinga wood bowl blank, East Indian rosewood, and leopard wood. All right, they have certainly got this wrapped well. I mean, there's packing tape all over this thing. There's the blanks. And those blanks are all wrapped together. Okay. This is East Indian rosewood. Now it has wax on the end grain. Now all of these blocks say that they are dried, kiln dried or air dried. But this does have wax on the end grain, which is a good thing. So I'm pleased with that. That's not quite as dark as I thought it would be. The next one is it says, oh, they gave me a gift. Fiji mahogany. Look at that. That's free. That's free. Well, that's wonderful. I only ordered 4, but I've got 5, so they gave me a gift. So this is mahogany. That's a nice, really nice block of wood. And the next one is, this is Bubinga. This is a nice block of wood also. You see the end grain going across, so I've got some really nice grain across here. This will have a really nice look when it's got a finish on it. I love Bubinga. And this is leopard wood. This is the one I was concerned about not having a really good pattern or a grain on here, but this is beautiful. I don't know if the light is reflecting that or not, but it's got a beautiful pattern on there. Now, and this is the black palm. I didn't order black palm. It says black palm, but I ordered black limba. But this matches the picture on the website. So I'm really pleased with that. So overall, I'm going to say that, yeah, everything is exactly what I thought it was going to be. Everything looks like what the pictures on the website look like. And they sent me a free block of wood. So I'm going to give these people an A+ on the rating because they've sent everything that I've asked for. They match the internet pictures almost exactly, and I got a free one. So these are going to work well in my next project, so I hope to see you on my next project. Thanks for watching.